So today's video comes courtesy of Sam's Beauty. They sent over another synthetic wig. This one is Outre Shawni in the color DR2730. As you can see, I'm feeling the bobs right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and stick with the theme. This one is gonna be a nice ombre situation. As always, keep your little bag for storage. Get rid of this piece right here because it really has no purpose, and just unless you're just like a collector who likes to keep all this stuff. You guys seem to love it when I get straight to the point and not talk too much, so I'm going to just show you the inside of the cap really quickly. This is what it looks like. I don't know what these things are for, but don't let them get near your kids. This is what the wig looks like. Really beautiful color. I think I'm going to be able to finesse this to look natural, but we'll see. But you have your, I think this is the 30 at the bottom. Kind of transitions into 27, or no, I think 2730 means it's all mixed together because it's just one dimensional down here. Then of course you have your dark root at the root. It is a lace front wig, so you'll have to cut off this excess lace. The purpose of this excess lace, if you did not know, is usually these wigs come with a little bit of baby hair. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it does come with baby hair around the perimeter of the hairline, so the lace just holds it in place. That way it'll look au naturel. And then you have a nice size lace parting. Looks like it can be at least 4 inches, maybe 5, probably 4 though. And then you flip it inside out, and I'll show you the inside. One comb in the center of the back, adjustable straps along with that tag. You have a breathable cap, which is great for allowing your hair underneath to be properly ventilated. This is where that lace parting is, and then you have one comb here, one comb here. These combs on the front are smaller than the comb in the back. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and adjust the straps to go as tight as they can go. Also gonna cut off this excess lace, and then I'll be back with the wig on my head. So this is what the wig looks like on. Obviously I have it pinned back because I'm gonna go ahead and do the parting. I thought I was recording when I put it on, and I wasn't. I gotta stop making that mistake. But I'm just gonna take a little bit of my got to be glued gel. I love the fact that it has baby hairs already, and they're already trained to kind of swoop this way. That way, you know, if you really don't want to add any product, there's enough baby hair here where you can kind of tweeze it out and just allow it to go that way. You can also trim it shorter. You can tweeze it out if it's too much for you. I'm just gonna leave it as is for the sake of this video and not really manipulate it, just out of preference. And typically when I purchase a synthetic wig, that's kind of my take on it either way. Like I never really feel the need with synthetic wigs to really like go out of my way, if that makes any sense. But I'm just gonna do one big swoop on each side. If you kind of want to double up the swoops, that's a good idea too. Also gonna add some powder to the parting. Really love the parting. It's about 5 to 6 inches deep, which is always a bonus. I feel like the longer the parting, the more natural the wig is able to look, depending on how you put it together. But with this one, you definitely have to pack the powder on. You can also use liquid concealer or even a foundation. I usually like powder just because liquid in my mind is a little bit more messy, but I do find the liquid concealer to be the most natural finish. And I kind of just pile it on there and then just blend it out. And this looks really full, so of course you can tweeze it out or whatever. I'm only worried about right here because this is really all you're gonna see. And this is what the hair looks like. I'm not gonna do any manipulation to it because it doesn't need it. Just take your fingers and like finger comb through it, and that's gonna get the job done. It has these beautiful waves to it, and what I like is that this wig, if you really wanted to, you can make it look like a synthetic, not a synthetic wig, this is a synthetic wig. You can make it look like a real wig. I wasn't gonna do any product, but I want this to lay super flat, so I'm gonna just add a bit of my mousse And then there's like that ever so slight amount left at the bottom or on my hand. So I'm just gonna kind of run my hands through the rest of the hair with that product on there. And that is really it. This is like my favorite brush to like form a ponytail, form a bun, slick down hair. It just works so well to get the job done. And you can see how flat it's laying out. And I didn't even add any heat. Of course, if you take your flat iron and just kind of run it like this, that'll definitely help too. Mine is not hot and I don't feel like it's necessary. I kind of just brushed it so you can kind of fluff it back up. As far as the length of the hair, I definitely don't think it needs like actual product. Like I would not put an oil sheen because it has a nice shine to it naturally. And sorry about the air noise, but I feel like the ends of the hair don't need any product. It doesn't need any oil sheen. Just all around, it looks like a great wig. So, and then this is the information card that has the wig on it. This is a similar color, except this one is, this is DR27613. So DR2730 is what I have, and this is DR27613. So this one's really cute too. I think this one is going to look a little bit less realistic. This one looks like, you know, it looks like you could have a little weave or a real lace front wig with this one. Let me know your thoughts on this one. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. What was great about this wig is that it really didn't need anything to it, so I didn't really have to do too much. So it turned out to be a great quick video. Let me show you guys what it looks like from the back. And yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out this wig. I have it linked in the description bar. Also have the products that I use linked in the description bar for you guys to be able to check out and purchase in case you didn't catch what I used. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.